What's up, dudes? Welcome to the live stream. Thursday. Yeah. How's everybody doing today? I had a good day today, man. This is my last thing of the day. I love ending the day with a stream. It's really great. Really great. What's up, Wiz? Yeah, Wiz, how's the new pad, bro? Sport show. What's good? Tejas? Nah, I'm not late, dude. I'm right on the dime, dude. Money, money. What's up? What's up? Yeah. So yeah, how's everybody doing today? Everybody's on Thursday, right? Yeah. Quick shout out to Cracked Havocs for the very nice thumbnail. Cracked, you have me cracking up, dude. I was like, he sent me two of them, and they're both really good, but I just picked one of them today. What's up, Vanessa? Vanessa Benny. Yeah. Um. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are even if I even talked to you guys about this, but I guess I'm playing Brawl Stars now. I like download it. What's up, Rodney? Yeah, I downloaded it, so it's kind of decent, man. I don't know. It's like whenever you get a new game and you kind of suck at it at first, it's like, but I'm getting better. Sorry. What's up, Red One? Oh, very. Got that mobile data, dude. Yeah, I normally oh yeah, I can shout out Skills channel. Skills Tutor. It's got a great channel going. If you guys are just looking to like, I don't know, talk shop and just kind of kick it or whatever, like he did like a speed run which was really good. I thought it was a great vid actually. And yeah, it's a good channel. So definitely check Skills out. His yeah. What's up, Tenzin? No, you're on time, dude. 1 minute, 15 minutes is late. 1 minute ain't nothing, dude. You don't worry about that. Okay, so I do want to jump something in because we are continuing the high effort streams from me for this week because the last week was, I don't know how to say, just not ideal, I guess. Yeah, it just I was moving too, so I just had to do that. Um, yeah. So I do want to go through some sentences, and I want to see if you guys can detect if these are correct or nah. So let me go through the first one. Bang. First sentence. Um, the dog ate too much cake. I feel like it's my fault. Is that correctly written or nah? What's up? I don't even know how to say your name. Yeah, Mugum. That's kind of a funny name. You ate my gum. Oh, that's a funny name, dude. That's hilarious. Yeah. All right. So Wiz says nah. Tejas says nah. But can I ask you guys why though? Like, why is that? Why is that not correct? Like, what's incorrect about it? Money's on nah. Sport show and Tejas are on nah. Tenzin, nag. Rodney, Vanessa's nah. Andrew's nah. Tammy's nah. Tejas nah. Alicia, skills. Yeah. Surrey, saggy run. Aha. Bing, 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 bing. Saggy Troy. That is it. Yep. Same thing with B trick shots. Period or semicolon. Yep. Or at Tenzin. Yep. You guys are smart, bro. All right. So yeah, let me just kind of reflect what you guys have been saying in the chat. All of you guys definitely shout out B trick shots, Saggy, and what was that? Who had the comma and Tenzin? Yeah. Good job, you three. So yeah, if you're gonna have a comma, these are two complete sentences. I ate too much cake. I felt like it was my fault. Two complete sentences. So if you're going to separate them with a comma, you need an and, or you need a but, or you need a yet. And that's not a yet. You need a fanboy after the comma. Otherwise, like people pointed out, this is a run-on sentence. That's what this is. Like when your teacher says run-on sentence, that means you have two complete sentences combined with just a comma. So you either need a period, you need a semicolon, or you need a comma fanboy. Whoop. Boys, right? One of them. So yeah, really nice, bros. Really nice. Okay, there's the first corrector now. I wish I had game show music for this. Maybe I should in the future. Get some game show music going for corrector now. How about this? Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Okay, here's the next one. Oh, nice, Wiz. Yeah, bro. What's up, Anthony? All right, correct or nah, bros? Connect, correct or nah? Yeah, I should do Let's Plays to get views. That's a good idea, Tejas. Tenzin's on nah, but why? I want to know why with your answers too. Tammy's like no, Rodney's like nah, Wiz is like nah. Tammy, yep, that's what's up. Really nice. Yep. Mm-hmm. Andrew's on nah. Sport Show's on nah. Alicia's on nah. Almost Wiz, but not quite, bro. Yeah, skills and Tammy. That's exactly like the perfect verb, like terminology. Really nice. B trick shots. Vanessa, Jane, Tejas, Suri's on nah. Money, money. Yeah, dude. Yeah, definitely nah. Mugum. Mugum. Ugh. Yeah, that's a nah for me, fam. So yeah, exactly, dude. You guys are actually circling in on it right now. The way it's written is filling with water. The next noun is Vanessa. So it's like I don't think she's unless she's like drinking a water bottle. I don't know about that one. All right, so good job, bros. This is where the game show music would play. So just kind of I don't know, imagine that in your head. I guess. Okay. Let me give you another one. That should be a good one. Okay. Let's see. Um, okay. Correct or nah? Correct or nah? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jane, for the theme. Thanks, Jane, for the music. Da 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 da. That's what I was like when you wrote that. I was like when you like open a chest in like Zelda or something. It's like da 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 da. All right, Tenzin's on no. Andrew's on no. Rodney's on nah. Yashin's on nah. Andrew's on nah. But why? Tenzin's on yes. Vanessa's nah. Tejas is nah. Geos says correct. No. Need. Need semicolon? Where would you put a semicolon, bro? Ooh. Correct, says Leon. Money Money says yeah. Tammy says no. Ooh, Tejas for the win. That is what's up, bro. That's what's up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. That's what's up, Tejas. Yep. So check this out, dudes. I like hid this one. I hid this one. I was trying to be sneaky with you dudes. So doing his homework, a math assignment. This math assignment is obviously a modifier. It's a non-essential modifier. See how it's surrounded by commas? Oops. See how it's surrounded? Oops. You guys see that it's surrounded by commas, right? So that means you could take it out of the sentence. And what is it modifying? Well, it's modifying the homework. Now, you can make the argument that it's modifying Fred because Fred is a very close noun. But for the sake of just kind of simple logic, we can say that the homework, and then we modify what we think about the homework, which is a math assignment. But if we took it out of the sentence, it wouldn't change anything. So this is actually good to go. I like threw this in here as like a trick. Fred felt into his backpack for his old broken pencil he used yesterday. Here we go, bros. This is it. This is where the mistake is. Yeah. So what is the trick? Like, what is the trick? I'm going to get rid of this now. So what is the trick between two adjectives? Like, I'd made a video about this, but it's worth going over. Like, if I said the old smelly bus and then the blue skate shop. Dude, Rachel, if you got another ELA question, you drop it in. So yeah, look at these two, right? We have adjective, adjective, noun, adjective, kind of adjective on the noun, right? It's a skate shop. So this is the two-part test that you got to ask yourself. One, can you put an and, comma? Can you switch the order? Whoops. Comma. So that's the test when you get two adjectives. So yeah, old smelly bus, I could say the smelly and old bus. Doesn't change the meaning. I could also say the smelly old bus. So bang, comma. Blue skate shop, I would not say the blue and skate shop. It's whack. I would also not say the skate blue shop. So no comma. That's what's up. So if you get a sentence like this, oops. My I'm actually just going to do this. Okay. So where would the comma go in this guy? That's the question. Where would the comma go? Oh, Rachel just dropped her question. Okay. Polar bears so named because they lived near the North Pole. Yep. Does it have to follow one rule for comma? Or it has to follow both, Tammy. But a lot of the times, if you do one, the other will work. Like put an and, does it work? Switch the order, does it work? You know what I mean? So for these adjectives here, yeah, between new and rare, right? But you would not put, you'd put a comma here for sure. Because you could say my rare new baseball card, but you would not say my, I mean, you could switch the order, right? Now the question is, do we put a comma between here? Because baseball describes the card. So do we throw a comma in there? That's the question. Do we put a comma? Is it a new rare baseball card? Right? That's the question. So, I mean, ask yourself, can you switch the order of rare and baseball? Could I say my new baseball rare card? Nah, bro. Would you say my new rare and baseball card? No. So because you wouldn't put an and in between them, and because you can't switch the order, there is no comma that goes in between these two. But yeah, there's definitely a comma that goes between these two. So just keep that in the back of your mind when you're doing adjectives with two commas. Here are the two rules. Can you put and? Then yeah, you need a comma, bro. Can you switch the order? You need a comma. So that's how adjectives kind of work. Yeah, exactly. Everybody's on it. Everybody's on it. So cool, man. Nah, that's a nah from me, fam. Let's see if I can make him a really hard sentence. Oh yeah, Rachel's sentence. That was a really good sentence, actually. Let's see. I feel like I could recreate it, but I want to type it exactly because it was a really good one. Thanks for the question, Rachel. Okay. So here's the sentence that Rachel has offered us. It's a really good one. I kind of like this one. Oh, whoops. It's a really good one. So, I mean, what would you guys fix with this? You know what I mean? Yeah, Yashin, you're also correct. Yep, Geo, you're also correct. It's because baseball card is just a thing. It's not really, it's like its own thing, just like an ice skate is a thing. Yeah, and Yashin, it's not really an adjective. Right. Yeah, welcome new people to the stream. Yeah, I always forget to do this. Definitely drop a subscribe, smash that like button until your mouse explodes. We're going to be grinding all summer and all through the fall too. So if you're just looking for some practice and get your grind on, this is the spot. Yep. Yeah, people are kind of getting in on this question already. Not is called, but are called. Are called. You know what I mean? So this is actually a really great question. Yep, is to are. That's what's up, Sport Show. Yep, Surrey. Yep, totally. Yep, Rodney. That's what's up. Dude, and just notice what they do. And this is actually why I like this question, Rachel. So obviously we're talking about this is. Everybody's kind of going towards it. So whenever you have a verb, you need to check two things. So we're doing more ELA today, bro. So verb, you need to check two things. One, that it matches tense. And we're in present tense, so that's pretty legit. That it matches number. right? You wouldn't say John swim, just like you wouldn't say they swims. Both of those are trash. You actually have to change it so that the noun reflects what the verb's going to be. This is plural, so we need swims. This is John, so we need swims. And so we need to match the number. What's the noun? This is something they do all of the time. Obviously, the noun is polar bears. Obviously, they use they again. But notice what the closest noun is to the verb. And if you were just to go based on like, I feel, I think, it seems. Wait, it is yes? No, dude, I didn't copy this from, well, I copied this from Rachel, that's for sure. So notice that North Pole is singular, is singular. So if you just read this, North Pole is called. Great. Sounds good. But actually it goes to polar bear. So you got to check that. Like, check this out. This one's actually really tough. And everyone in I'm gonna get an Academy Award for my writing of sentences, bros. So correct or not, everyone in the surrounding schools are sure of one thing: toast needs butter. So just in case anyone is accusing me of copying my sentences from a site, here's one of the stupidest sentences I think I've ever written in my life. Okay. Yeah, you can drop a question, Eva. I got you. Yeah, Rachel. Yep. Yep. Yeah, because super tall is one description. Yeah, super tall. You couldn't say tall super. You can't switch the order, so you can't put a comma. Need should be need, not are to is. Surrounding school, right? You guys are like getting in on it, not surrounding schools, but like assume that I want it to be schools. You know what I'm saying? So we need to look, right? This are, that's the verb. With verbs, we got to match the tense, match the number. This tense is present, you know what I'm saying? Just because there's not enough context clues to tell you, so I'm just going to tell you it's present. So we have to match the number. And you have to ask yourself, is everyone singular or plural? Because surrounding schools are, that sounds good. Schools are, that sounds really good. But ask yourself this. Ask yourself this. Do you say everyone is or everyone are? Now, if you say everyone are, that kind of comes off really weird off the tongue, right? You can use your instincts for this. But everyone is, that's nice. So that's how we know that it's singular. So yeah, obviously we need to change this to being singular. Bang, now we're kicking butt. All right, let me give you another one. Oh my god, that's so dumb. Okay, each player on both baseball teams sold their hat to a passing merchant. Oh, actually, no, I want to say that. There, I'm gonna change that. uh, thank you, thank you. Okay, Eva's got a question. We'll do that. Why is every question nah? Because otherwise, I guess I could make. You're right. I should just name this of. I should rename this. You're totally right. There we go. All right, Gio, how's that for a title, bro? What's up, Alana? We're taking a big nah. Yeah, but okay, so Tejas, I want to keep it present tense. So sold is past tense. I want to keep it at sell for sure. Yeah, I want to keep it present tense. I want to keep it present. But nah, it's why nah? I want to know why nah. Oh. Yeah, well, no. Sold is past tense. I want sell. I want current tense. I want present tense. That's why. Aha. Yep. Jane. Everybody wants to make it past tense, but that's because when verbs, like the number for verbs, actually doesn't matter for past tense. That's why it's like so tempting to, and that's why I put sold. But yeah, we're dealing with sell, right? Each player on both baseball teams sell their hat to a passing merchant. Now, what is the main noun here? Is the main noun both baseball teams? No. Notice that's a preposition. That's giving us a description on the players, right? Now, what if I just delete that? Each player sell their hat? Ooh, now we're in a sticky situation that does not sound good because each player is singular. So we need sells. And that's what fixes it. So to fix this sentence, sell the sell. That's what's up. Yeah. Yeah. You know those like traveling merchants that you can sell your hat to? Like not a merchant that is selling you a hat, but those merchants that want to buy your hat off your stupid. I gotta tighten it up. I gotta lock it up for the ELA for sure. Yeah, exactly. You guys are all on it. Okay. Let me see if I can think of something that's kind of tricky. Mm, they're going to catch sun in the left field. Dude, I know. I know. Sun's gonna be in their eyes, man. Oh, is Yankee Stadium facing south? Huh. Dude, I miss going to baseball games. I gotta go to like a minor league baseball game or something. Those are so much fun. Okay, let's see if I can get another thing going on here for you guys. Ooh, okay, that's a really good one. Okay, okay. All right. Um, that's so bad. Oh no, okay, I gotta change this. Even though he was mad? No, it doesn't fit. Hold on. I'll fix this. I will fix this, guys. Hold on. I just. All right, here we go. That's the good sentence. That's what we like. That's what we like. Okay, so da 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 da. Why nah? Josh, a new guy at work, took the time to learn everyone's name and made sure to have a happy smile on his face, even though he was scared. No, it's not nah. It's not correct or nah. It's why nah. Oh, actually, yeah, that's a typo. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. That's supposed to be a D. Ah, sorry. Who pointed that out? Study till I pass out. Nice. Yeah, Rachel, not parallel. Yep, and study till I pass out. All right, I fixed the sentence. That was a typo. That wasn't what I was like going for, but props on you guys. Whiz, that's funny. But why not? The name of the game is why not? I know. I fixed it. I fixed it. Okay, I fixed it. Now why not? Too many commas? But where, Geo? Jane? Very nice. Very high IQ, Jane. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, so we can we can say that it is in the past tense. Just ooh. Yeah. Okay, why not, Tejas? Why not, bro? Why not? Why no comma? No comma after name. Why though? Why nah? Nah, no. You know, you could make that argument that it's redundant, Eva. I'll take that, but I mean, happy and smile. That's I don't know. You might say that is not redundant because you can be unhappy and smile too. No, because there is a modifier in a list. Yep, Geek Tutor. That's what's up. Geeks got it. Because it isn't a complete sentence after. Yeah, yeah. So let me break this down for you guys because I think this is I mean, pat myself on the back a little bit, but I think this is a decent question here. Okay, so Josh, a new guy at work. So here's our first set of commas. This is a modifier, and modifiers are aboard Josh. So Josh, a new guy at work. It's not essential. We can take it out of the sentence. Just gives us additional information. So that's all good to go, bro. And it's right by the noun. So we're good. Took, so we're past tense, right? Took the time to learn everyone's name, comma, and made sure to have a happy smile on his face even though he was scared. Okay, this is good advice, guys. Just because you feel scared doesn't mean you should be. Same thing with the test, dude. You're in. What do you have, slope and radical on your practice test? Because they test slope and radical, my dude. Dude, we've gone over slope and we've gone over radicals. It's funny though. Yeah, so exactly, Yashin. This is not an independent clause. This is not a full sentence. And so, just like we talked about earlier, when you have a comma in fanboy and it's not a list, then that's the same thing as a period. And made sure to have a happy smile on his face even though he was scared. Who did? We need to have our noun here, but we don't have it. So, because of that, we no longer need this comma fanboy. So, also look at the sentence structure of this. This is a branching logic. Josh took and made. That's really what's going on in the sentence. Josh, and I can even get rid of this. Josh took and made. Yeah, we have descriptive words here. Yeah, we have descriptive words here. But this is the noun, and this is the two verbs that he did, separated by an and. So I can add a non-essential modifier. I can add information after made. I can add information after took. But it's still the same branching thing. Josh took and made. Whoops. Sorry. Josh took and made. And you wouldn't put a comma right here. So you don't put a comma right here, and that's why this is a nah. That's why nah. That's why nah, bros. That's why nah. Yeah. Okay, that's good, man. That's good that you got it right, man. I believed in you, dude. I believe in you. Okay. All right, good job. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay, so looks like Sport Show is dropping, I guess, historical figure. What are you doing, dude? Oh, he's that's a song lyric. Okay, that's like an old song that he's quoting. Okay, what is that? Bruce Springsteen? That's very New York of you, dude. All right. So yeah, there. That is correct or nah? Yay! Congrats everybody who won. Not congrats to anybody who lost, but I'm sure you all won. You're all winners in my hearts, in my many hearts. Just like cows have five stomachs, I have three or four hearts, and you guys are winners in my hearts. So good job. Pat yourself on the back, or get a little finger clap for yourself. Good job. That's that's correct or not. And I'm dropping frames like crazy. Sorry guys. My OBS is trying to normalize. As soon as I like get rid of that window, it's like it literally cannot handle having me do two or three things to it. So I'm gonna wait till it chills out a little bit, and then we'll do some math. Yeah, Rachel, if you got a math question, you can drop it in the chat. Oh, that's Billy Joel. Oh, that's my bad. Whoops. Dang. Yeah, I'm a music noob. Sorry. Um. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude, my OBS is going crazy. I'm gonna stop and start really quick. So it might have a break, but whatever. You guys will be okay. Okay, back at it again. Um, yeah. So cool, man. Yeah, that was correct or not, or no, that was why not. So congratulations to everybody. Yeah, congratulations to everybody who played. Congratulations to those who didn't play, but watched the stream anyways. This is my coffee, which I need to drink because, you know, currently flagging a little bit, bros. That's what's up. Oh yeah, when's the static hitting? I'm gonna take some bets here. So, oh yeah, that's what I've decided. I wanted to tell you guys. If I can get to 900 subs, I'm going to do a static only stream. That's right. You heard that right. We get to 900 subs, we're doing a static only stream. You've asked for it. You want it to come true. So so yeah, 900 subs. And bros, we're going to just have so much static. You're going to get as much static as you need, okay? So I'm so excited for it. I've already been planning on different types of static. I've been like punching my microphone to see which types of static I can make it do. It's gonna be really lit. So 900 subs. We're gonna have a static only stream. It's gonna be awesome. I really can't wait for it. Okay, so people are dropping questions in the chat. Let's see. Let's see. It's 9 o'clock on Saturday. The regular cloud shuffles in. Oh, that's enough. A sports show. I thought that was a question you were dropping in the chat, and I just ended up reading Piano Man. That's really funny. Okay, so let's see if there's any other question in here. Yeah. Okay, after taking a 40-minute lunch break, Carrie and James work together to inspect the remaining watches. Oh, no, there's more to it. Carrie can inspect a case of watches in 5. James can inspect the same case in 3. After working for an hour, Carrie stops for lunch, takes a 40-minute lunch break. Carrie and James work together to inspect the remaining watches. How many watches are there total, Rachel? Is there more information in that question that I didn't know? Yeah. So, yeah, because we need to know either how many watches there are total or how long they worked total to do that. And n is divided by 8, the remainder is 3. Okay, I like these questions actually. So if 8, when n is divided by 8, the answer has a remainder of 3. If 8n is divided by 8, what's the what's the remainder? So if 8n is divided by 8, what's the remainder? Okay. Kind of an interesting question, but I think we should go over this. So whenever you have something like this, always pick numbers that work. So what will have a remainder of 3? Well, if n is 11, that's going to have a remainder of 3. So then we plug in 11 for this n, and we get 88 over 8 equal 11. No remainder there. That's clean, bro. And since this is 8n over n, we could just simplify it straight up like that. And so we're not going to get a remainder. That's what's up. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it's 0 all day. All day 0. Yeah. Rachel, I need more information on that question. I need more information. We either need to know how many watches total they are trying to inspect, or we need to know how long they worked. Because otherwise, I mean, what if there's 4,000 watches boxes they need to inspect, then it's going to take them years. But if there's only like 20 boxes they need to inspect, or if we know they only worked for like 5 hours, then we know for a fact that, like, yeah, everybody's on the 0 train on this, for sure. Totally. Ooh, we should do this, we should do this type of question. That's it. That's it? That's all there is to that question, Rachel? Then that's got to be a broken question, man. That's it? Let me go back and read that, dude. Carrie can inspect a case of watches in 5 hours. James can do it in 3. Carrie works for 1 hour, then they stop. And Carrie and James work together to inspect the remaining watches. How long do Carrie and James work to complete that job? That's it. All right, let me show you guys why I think that question. Where did you get this question from, by the way? Tell them I think it's whack. This question is really whack, actually. So this is, I mean, I'm actually happy to go through it. I just think they need more answers. Sure. So this is the question Rachel dropped, and thanks for the question, Rachel. I just think whoever gave this to you probably didn't realize what they were doing. So oh, I see. I see. Yeah, this is just a reading comprehension thing. I'm going to change the question slightly so that it actually makes sense. Okay, so this is what I think the question should be asking. Carrie inspects a case of watches in 5 hours. James inspects a case in 3 hours. Carrie works for 1 hour, takes a 40-minute break. Then James and Carrie work to check the remaining watches. How long do Carrie and James work together to inspect that one box? That's the question. That's a good question. Oh, you flunked the max session? But dude, Alana, try to like boost your ELA because if you could totally crush one of the sections, then you're gonna be stepping good. This is a good question. Thanks for the question, Rachel. Yeah. Yeah, it's yeah, rate problems like these can be really hard. But you can either work in percentages, there's a lot of different ways you can kind of finesse these. So, yeah, good, dude. And Atlanta, if you're crushing the ELA, you need to try to get as close to perfect as possible. You should look at my video, Hack the SHSAT. It kind of explains how you can game the grading system for your advantage. Okay, I'll give you guys like 30 more seconds and then I want to go over this one for sure. Oh yeah, yeah, definitely then Alana. Just pump up that ELA score and don't get less than like 60% of the math questions right. So if you're really bad at math, like you're only getting like 1 out of every 5 questions right, you actually do have to work on your math to get it up legit. So that's all I'm going to say about that for now, but like, yeah. Okay, so let me go over this. My squeaky chair. Listen. Not bad. Okay, so let's go through this. So check out what I'm going to do on this, guys. Carrie and Spakes, she and Spakes a case of Wouches in 5 hours. So really, in 1 hour of work, Carrie is going to do 1/5 a box. Because in 5 hours, she does 1 box. So in 1 hour, she'll do 1/5 of that. And our dude James here, in 1 hour, he can do 1/3 of a box. Okay? So here's our box. Carrie works for an hour. So 1/5 of it is done. Okay? So that just means that we have 4/5 to go. Because that's Carrie working for an hour. Guys, look at this unnecessary information. Takes a 40-minute break. Do we need that? I don't know. Is it for them together or total how long it takes? I don't know. Rachel, you have to like say what the question is asking for. Is it asking for like the moment Carrie starts working, we start counting, or is it the moment that they start working together? You know what I mean? So I'm just going to assume that it's when they start working together. So there's 4/5 of a box to go. Now, what is the rate of working together? Well, I'm going to make this 3/15, and I'm going to make this 5/15, right? This is just a direct comparison. And now we can say every hour, both of them work 8/15. Isn't that nice? I think so. So let's turn this to 15ths as well. Okay. So after 1 hour, both of them working together, they got 8/15. Okay. So an additional 8/15. And we can of course change this to 3/15 because we're cool. So we have the 12/15 that we had left minus our 8/15 of what they did in 1 hour. So we got 4/15. So if they can make 8/15 in 1 hour, in a half hour, they're going to make half that. So which would be 4/15. So the answer would be 1.5. Is that it? I feel like I explained that really, really badly. Yeah. So yeah, when they started working together, yeah, it's gonna take them dudes an hour and a half to get it done. Once they start working together, and it makes sense too, because if this is their rate per hour, we do know for a fact there's 12/15 left because 3/15 is done, 12/15 remain, right? And so if we do their rate 8/15 an hour, and we multiply it by an hour and a half, and I'm going to represent that by 3/2. That's an hour and a half. Rate times time equals distance. Rate times time equals distance. This is a rate problem, and the distance is the amount of boxes they check. So, yeah. So we can multiply this. This is going to be 24/30. And yeah, that's going to reduce to 12/15, and that's how much work we need to do. So yeah, that's a quick way to check it. Does this make sense? Because I really feel like I did not explain this good. Like I know how to do this, but I feel like I didn't explain it very well. Just because I was like trying to figure out how the question is written. So if you're still confused, I can definitely break this down for you guys again. Because it's more important to me that you guys know how to do this than whatever. Yeah. Yeah, dude, it's tough. Sometimes you get stuck with like really bad teachers. Just like when you go to like McDonald's, sometimes the person making your burger is really bad. Yeah. Should we do a redemption? I think we should do a redemption. All right, so give me a second. Let me whip this problem up. All right. Okay. Here we go. Here's the question. Here's your redemption, bros. Yeah, dude, I'm very sleepy too, but I mean, let's go over it. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go. So, Yashin, if you're still confused, let's go over this one and let's see if we can get it. All right, guys, minute and a half. Johan Dr. John can wash one dish every 20 minutes. Vicky Ches can wash a dish every 15 minutes. Working together, how long will it take them to wash 84 dishes? Let's go. Yeah, and if you're brand new to the channel, don't forget to literally smash that like button so hard that you form a crater in your desk, and subscribe to the channel for sure. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subs, bros, so that I can finally get my videos monetized. Like the adpocalypse hit me last year, and I was demonetized, so it would be super sick for me to be able to get back because I like to make videos for you guys. I could make a lot more if I knew I could get some ads on them for sure. So definitely appreciate you guys just coming out to the stream. And I'm not trying to sell anything. And best thing you can do is just sub and share the video with your friends for sure. Yeah. All right, I'll give you guys like another minute with this problem. It's a lot of minutes, Tejas. How many hours is that, bro? Okay, I guess we're doing minutes and hours because I was dumb and I didn't specify. Saw it, skills. I saw it, bro. Okay, I'll give you guys like 30 more seconds. Let's get it. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Gosh, that's way too fast. Play. One. 60. Whoa. Nice. What's the time? 51. That's it, guys. Congratulations. Yeah. Good job. Good job, guys. Whoever guessed 51, congratulations. You did it. That's right. That's right. You like this? You think this is fun? 900 subs. Static only stream. Static only stream. 900 subs. So if you think this is fun and you think this is chill and you're looking for more of this, then let's get to 900. Get to 900 subs and it'll be static only stream. And you'll have to guess which times I will turn off the static. That's like between 51 and 53, I will turn off the static. But for the rest of the stream, we're going to do static only, guys. All right, so let's look at this question. This is a great question, by the way. Oh, wait, made it. So I guess it is a great question. All right, so let's go through this. Johan Dr. John, which I think is a great name. Vic Ches, also a very sassy name. I get so bored making problems. Okay, so John, every 20 minutes so that he can make 3 an hour. Vicky, she can make 4 an hour. So together, our forces combined, 7 an hour. That's their rate working together. So 84 dishes, how many hours is it going to take? 84 divided by 7, 1, 7, 1, 4, 2. Let's get it. Nice. That's it. We got to find what their hourly rate is, combine what their hourly rate is, and then if they can make 7 an hour, how many hours do they need? 7 an hour times what equals the 84? Well, they're going to need 12 hours to make 84. Okay? A lot of you guys missed that. They take too long. Yeah, so let's actually do a redemption on that because you guys got kind of all over the place with that. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Jane, I gotta say, Jane has been crushing the chat recently, bros. You gotta watch out. I'll give you another question as redemption time. Would be hard. Ooh, that would be hard. Because redemption has to be harder. They can't be as easy. Okay, cool. Okay. Redemption time. Redemption time. All right, here we go. Johango Bro can eat a candy in 20 minutes. Ballantyre can eat one in 12 minutes. If they are sitting at a bank smashing candies nonstop while they are waiting for their cash, how long do they wait if they ate a total combined 28 candies? Let's get it. Some good math there, Eva. It's really top level stuff. Thanks, Rachel. Okay, you won't see me writing down your names, but I'm writing them down, I promise. Dude. Dude, the redemption is real. The redemption is real. Nice, guys. Good, 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 good. That's what I'm talking about. I tried to make this one a little harder, too. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I got everybody down here for sure. Dude. Dude. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Money, money. Dude. Yep. Study. Got you, bro. Yeah, Santa Claus lives. That's also the moral of the story. Dude, good job. I'm not even gonna really go over this one. Like, I know people who are might be like just lurking on the stream or whatever. I might say real quick, but if Jay can eat a candy in 20 minutes, that means his hourly rate is gonna be 3 an hour. And Ballantyre, whatever, I shouldn't use that name, could do 5 an hour, right? Because he can do it every 12 minutes. And so their forces combined, that's 8 an hour. Yeah. And so how long does it take them to get to 28? Well, that's the first hour. The second hour, they can eat 16. The third hour, they're going to eat 24. And the fourth hour, they're going to eat 32, but we need 28, which is exactly halfway between these two. So we know we need a half an hour, and that's why all the homies are going to 3.5. That's legit, dude. That's legit. Nice. Nice. Dude, good work. Good redemption. Yeah, 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 yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. Let me see here. Don't go back. Yeah. Okay, cool. I do want to do. Should I do one more question? What type of question should be the last one? Oh, I wrote Vanna twice. No, I didn't. Nah, that was just my bad handwriting. That's Vanna and that's Vanessa. Yeah, they both got it right. Yeah. Um, just trying to think of a really hard problem. Ooh, I got a problem for you guys. All right, last problem of the day. No redemption. So you either hit or miss. But I guess they never miss. All right. Let's see. All right, give me a second to whip this up. Because you know, only the freshest of fresh questions on the stream, bros. I don't want to give you no tired questions. They're fresh, 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 fresh. But also, I don't have my ruler, so they're going to be sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. And I apologize in advance. I will eventually get my ruler back, I promise. Okay, I made my diagram massive. I don't know why. That is okay. Okay, lovely. A, B, C, D, and that is point E up in there. Okay, so let's say Okay, here's the question. AB is parallel to CD. AE equals 5. ED equals 10. CE equals 8. What is the value of BC? Let's go. I can't put the clock on, otherwise it would zoom in too far. But I'm going to give you guys like a minute and a half. This is the last question. Well, Sport Show, we do a lot of geometry in this stream, bro. I thought you'd be like legit on this. Tammy, to answer your question, combinations are when the order does not matter. Like I could have pepperoni and sausage, or sausage and pepperoni on my pizza. Doesn't matter. But think of a race. First and second place. That's pretty important, what the order is. Nah, ED equals 10, bro. Sorry, Gio. You can't change your answer, player. Uh, just the rage spamming. That's hilarious. Okay, so let's go over this one because I feel like you guys are. You're so close, though. You're so close. Okay, so let me go over this one. Now I have hit or miss stuck in my head, and my life is pain. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. So let's break this down. The first thing I like to do with diagrams is get your information up from here into here. So EA equals 5. We can pop that over here. ED equals 10. Got that guy right there. We know CE equals 8, so we put 8 right up in here. So why do they give us this? Or why do I give you that parallel thing? Well, because when you're dealing with parallel lines, we can tell a lot about the angles, which angles are equal, right? And so just like this angle and this angle are equal, this angle and this angle will be equal. So that's super important because then we also know that this angle and this angle are equal. And of course, because they're vertical, we know this angle and that angle are equal. So what we're dealing with is similar shapes, okay? So whenever I have a similar shape problem, I always bust it into two. So we have our A, B, oh, is that how it's, oh, whoops. Psych, I thought I was good. Hold up. So bang, bang, bang. We know that E is gonna be up top. Both these big triangles. I know they're kind of trash, but I'm like trying to finish up here, dudes. Wait. Yeah, A, B, okay, and then obviously D, and that's going to be C right there. Okay, so now I have them next to each other. Since we know they're similar shapes, I like to put them next to each other so they're super easy to compare. This, way easier than this. So I'm going to fill out, obviously, what we know. We know that that guy's 5. We know that that's 10. We know that that's 8. So to get from 5 to 10, that's going to be times 2 because it's similar. So this to 8 is going to be times 2, so we know that that is 4. Really nice, dude, because nobody guessed 4. And that was the trap. That's why I put that X there to try to get you guys to select 4. But this is 4. But the question is asking for BC. It's asking for this huge long side. So BC is 8 plus 4. Yeah, 12. That's what's up. Yeah. So whenever you have similar shapes like that, break them apart and put them next to each other. Because a lot of times people can get confused and go, oh, does this 5 go to this 8? You know, when I was drawing this originally, I kind of messed it up. So yeah, just put it like next to each other, and then it's super easy to find your multiplier, super easy to find what your missing information is. And then yeah, you're gonna be crushing in no time for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So, all right, dudes. I think you know the iconic ending. Dude, I gotta keep saying there's so much good stuff on this site, or at least I think it's pretty decent stuff. You have any questions? You come to my stream, consider yourself my homie, and I will answer any questions you got. So here's my email. Hit me up whenever. This goes to my phone, so yeah, you can go straight there. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, tomorrow is not a super stream because I have a class right after the stream. So I'll see if I can move it, but I mean, I can't make any promises I might break. Um, Definitely sub. Um, Help me get to 1K. And also remember 900 subs. Whoops. 900 subs equal a static stream. Static stream. So very exciting stuff. Oh man, trash. I did not stick the landing on this one, dudes. Okay, so yeah. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, whatever. Um, did not stick the landing on this, but you don't always stick the landing. Yeah, Geo. Yeah, good to see you, Animation Space, but I am out of here, bro. Hey, you gotta study. Thanks for those questions yesterday, dude. Oh, Red One, what's up, kid? So yeah, I'm gonna be out of here, dudes. I say there's gonna be a super stream this week? Did I say that? I probably did. Oh, oh no. Okay, see you later, Alana. Yeah, just you can pretend it's a super stream just by playing this one back. Yeah, don't forget to sub or to like. We're gonna be grinding all summer, all fall. So yeah, appreciate everybody who's just even coming to the streams. That means so much to me. So thank you guys. Thank you guys actually for coming and studying and being grinding and being hard and yeah, getting it done, dude. That's the specialized high school attitude, and you guys all have it just for being here in the middle of the summer. So really, really good stuff, bros. Definitely don't forget to sub. Trying to get to 1K. If we get to 900 subs, I'm doing a static stream, which who knows what that will actually be, but I just think that'd be kind of chill to do. All right, dudes, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go eat. Enjoy your Thursday.